This is new here. Angela and I are going to camp at a new lower campground here of the Calico Ghost Town. In fact, this is brand new. I think I don't know when it was opened, but we are literally the only campers out here. Beautiful weather. 62 degrees today. It's full hookups everywhere down here, and unlike the campground up at the main spot up there, nobody gets any service up there. So maybe that's why they built this down here, because we both get cell service down here. But it's 40 bucks for full hookups. So Angela and I are both making this our weekly stop to dump the tanks and get water and electricity and run the shop vac, clean up all the cat hairs and everything. And then, yeah, plus look at this building with all the camping restrooms and showers. Let's take a peek in here. Oh, maybe there's somebody here. Okay, there we go. $1 to start the shower there. Yeah, nothing fancy, but I mean, if you're into that, yeah. Just standing back here though, so we're camping next to each other in separate stalls, but it gives you an idea for how much they just packed everybody in here. It reminds me that places like these, they don't really think about campers or RVers. They just look for a way to make the most money possible. How tightly can we possibly physically cram the RVs in here? And this place is dead. Like, this is primo season. I don't know where everybody is. They also built a bunch of cabins, and these are $60 a night, up to 4 people. I tried to look in, but they've got the curtains closed on every single one of these. I can't even see what it looks like in there. Probably just a small motel with air conditioning, but I mean, technically 40 bucks and 40 bucks is 80. We could have just parked outside and rented one of these for 60. But I like my RV. And we're getting kind of hungry, so we are going to go up into town and grab a bite to eat real quick. It's a neat place. It reminds me of Tombstone in a lot of ways. I'll put a link above my last trip here alone. I want to check out some new stuff. Actually, Angela and I are going to go get a bite to eat over here. I've not been in the Calico House restaurant, so we'll go get a bite to eat for lunch. Having lunch here in the restaurant. Found they were out of meatloaf, but I got a burger. Oh yeah, Angela's got a veggie burger. All right. It's a neat old restaurant though. Burros for sale. Wife ran off with best friend and dog. If seen, send dog home. Yeah. This is the Calico City Hall in here. Oh, I just realized looking at my camera, it's still on that distorted fisheye view. Sorry about that, guys. I switched that last time I shot Jack's walking on a leash. I'll switch it back after this clip, but anyway, yeah, some of these pictures are pretty old. Okay, back to linear mode here without the curved edges in the frame. We're inside Lucy's House Museum. Get a load of this stove. Washington. By the way, most of this town is authentic. These are not like fake buildings and stuff. 1885 to 1967, restored in 79. So, yeah, that means it's original. That's pretty cool. I mean, geez, get a load of this building. Literally made with rock and concrete. I don't know what it is. Oh, it's literally a bathroom. I'm looking into an outhouse, an outdoor outhouse. That's awesome. Oh yeah, and there's the train up there. Check out this rock wall. But look, it's an old mine with wooden doors. It says do not enter on that side though. It doesn't say do not enter on this side though. No, we won't. Well, that's right, everybody. Air conditioner on. Sometimes I just want to run it so that it stays working, just like the generators. You know, you're supposed to run them for a couple hours every week just to keep them knowing how to operate. But this air conditioner I told Wayne, has been giving me problems. It may just be a thermostat issue, but you can hear when the compressor kicks on and wants to cool. Well, it will not cool any less than 74 degrees. And I've checked the thermometer and the thermostat right here. Every single time when this shuts off, it only cools it down to 74, and then it just turns the regular fan on and it just gets warmer from there. And when it hits 80, the compressor kicks back on, cools it down to 74. And that's in the heat of summer when it's 90 degrees, or right now when it's only 60 degrees outside. But actually, if I wanted to keep the windows closed, even here plugged into power, just the sunshine alone will heat it inside here over 80 degrees when it's only 60 outside, believe it or not. So, I mean, didn't have to run the air conditioner, but just wanted to. I'm also hooked into the water there on the side so that I get those pipes, remembering, cleaned out and working order. So up here behind the campground is the Calico Cemetery here. It's probably pretty old. Let's see here. All right. Oh, weird. You guys know I've been to a lot of cemeteries. I've seen a lot of celebrities buried in cemeteries around the country. I have never in my life seen a cemetery like this, though. They don't bury you. It looks like they just put your body above ground and then put a little bit of dirt and some rocks. That is strange. This one has been freshly decorated here. Let's see, Pat Solis died December 24th, 2011. Well, that was pretty recently, actually. Some of these have no tombstones. Some of them have wood tombstones. And then some of them have really expensive granite tombstones. 1933. No, just when you think you've seen it all, this one is different. This is very different. I am getting out of here. We've only got about 40 minutes left of sunlight here, but I want to go up and check out this other campground. Weird, it's the dead end. Another one. Oh, there's tunnels on the... Weird. I kind of want one over there. Ooh, that's creepy. There's another one up here in the rock face that seems to be a little taller. All right, you guys come with me. I don't want to go alone. It smells like guano in here. Okay, I did not bring a flashlight though. I heard a sound I didn't like, and then I realized that's probably a bad idea. What if there is like a bear or something in there? Dumb, Eric. I didn't have any pepper spray with me. Don't gotta pay a lot, just gotta pay attention. All right, I'm gonna head back to our campsite there. Angela is cooking dinner tonight. I'm gonna help out, but yeah, we're gonna have a meal together. Good morning, guys. This turned out to be a really quiet, peaceful, nice place to spend the night. We're going to get back on the road, looking at the weather forecast for both the Sierra Nevadas and the interstates in Nevada itself. They were all clear last night. Absolutely no restrictions, no traction tires, chains, anything. Yesterday was the day to travel that particular pass, but today some snow expected, and it's going to be snowing the next couple days, so it's just going to be hit and miss. Like I said, one day we're just going to pop up there real quick and cross the pass and reveal to you this trip. So hang in there. I'll continue to kind of... That's a weird bird. There's a weird... Look at these guys coming towards me. Are those... I'm not sure what they are. I don't know what kind of bird that is. Pretty sure it's native to this area, though. It looks like a brown pigeon. Anyway, like I said, hang tight. I'll be back with you in a couple days, though, guys. Bye-bye.